Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching again. Hey, guys, what I bring you here today is how I was making the shin guards out of foam for a Green Lantern armor. Pretty much, I'm just gonna try to give you little tips what I did to get the result I did. I know it's not the best one, but I'm gonna try to improve as I go. Pretty much, you have to cut in bevels. What I mean bevels is sides, like the one you're looking at. It's cut towards the inside so the parts glue better and they take a shape of a certain cut or a certain angle you need it to be. And I actually mark it with pen where I have to glue it together because it's gonna help you keep track of the parts, because once you start gluing, things are gonna look a little off once you put the glue in cement. If it touches a part it shouldn't touch, it's really difficult to uh take it apart. Sometimes it just glues so much that it's you have to start all over again or it's not gonna look good. So you have to make registration marks where each part has to go. When I'm cutting the paper, I'm looking at my files and I'm looking at the 3D model in Pepakura, and I just try to mark the paper with how the bevels are gonna go, if they're gonna go to the inside and the outside. I do that to the paper first, then I cut, then I transfer that to the foam, and as you can see, I have everything marked. I try to do a couple parts at the same time because, well, you have to wait for the glue to dry a little bit so you can actually um, it actually has a better chance of sticking together. If you actually glue it too soon, it's not gonna stick together, and then you have to hold it. So what I do is just put the glue, leave it for a couple minutes, and come back, and then put it together. And as you can see, most of these are bevels. They're inside and out, and I'm just going little by little. I try not to glue too many two parts that are big at first. What I try to do is go part by part. Like if it is a 6 inch part, I do 3 inches first to see how it's coming out. On if case of a mistake, it's still easier to fix. And then that's the last how it looks. And hopefully you guys like it. You see, it's not perfect. I'm learning. It's the first ever Shinguard I made, and it was a lot of work and long learning experience. But I still gotta seal the foam. The foam has to be heat treated. What I mean by this is I have to use a heat gun to seal the foam. Then I have to add a sealer and then a primer, and then I'll be ready to paint. So it's another process. And when you use the heat gun, you can reshape it. But let me know what you guys think. All this registration and everything, I know it doesn't look good, but it is what it is, and I use it so I can keep track of everything. Hopefully you guys like it, and thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good one. Peace.